Here's part 2 to why ADHD gets worse during your period. If you already watched part 1, you know the why, so now we're going to talk about the how can we actually make sure that that enzyme gets regulated during our period so that it is not as high of an activity level. So some research is showing that phytoestrogens can inhibit the MAOA enzyme. Phytoestrogens include things like soy products, so think soy milk, tofu, edamame. The other ones are strawberries, flaxseed, and dark green vegetables like green beans, broccoli, and cabbage. The second thing that can help is eating a lot of omega-3s that are EPA derived. So EPA is a specific type of omega-3, and this one's only found in fatty fish like salmon and tuna, but mainly salmon, as well as some algae, so like think seaweed. Now, if you can't really access any of those, you can take a supplement, but obviously I'd advocate for you to eat your salmon, because salmon also includes something called tryptophan, which is that precursor to serotonin, and during these periods of time, we also want to increase our tryptophan intake. The last part is that some herbs have been shown to be MAOA inhibitors as well. So these herbs include passion flower, hops flower, holy basil, Rhodiola rosacea, as well as kava root. I don't recommend taking any of these unless you talk to an herbalist and a doctor beforehand because they can interact with other medications. But yeah, that's just the lowdown of how we can use nutrition to actually help support some of our ADHD symptoms during specific times in our phases. And if this was helpful, give a follow because this is what I talk about pretty much every single day.